Everyone knows how important physical therapy is for humans after injury or surgery. Rehabilitation is just as important for pets. A lot of the things that we do for rehab are things that the owner can learn how to do at home, like apply ice packs or learn how to do range of motion of their dog's joints. Rehabilitation can also include high-tech services such as therapeutic ultrasound or laser treatments and exercise on an underwater treadmill. When the doctor does an exam for rehabilitation, we're going to look at the area that's injured or has had surgery, but we're also going to look at the entire rest of the dog so we can catch any other problems that are occurring along with or secondary to the original problem. Unlike a standard veterinary exam, much of the exam is done with the dog laying on one side and then the other so that every joint, ligament, and muscle can be assessed. There is often some time spent trotting the dog up and down in the parking lot or teaching clients how to set up exercise equipment outside. Measurements may be taken of the diameter of the limbs to assess muscle atrophy and of the range of motion of affected joints. We assess the pet's pain and often adjust medications to ensure that the treatment and exercises won't cause pain in the pet. I've taken advanced coursework in both pain management and rehabilitation. We set up a program for each individual animal that may include ice packing or heat therapy, massage, specific exercises, and any modalities such as treadmill or laser therapy, depending on the pet owner's need and their budget. Occasionally, we refer the patient to a surgeon or for advanced imaging such as CT or MRI, or we may need to take x-rays. Sometimes acupuncture or spinal manipulation therapy, which is like chiropractic in humans, is recommended. Rechecks and follow-up phone calls ensure that things are going as expected, and we will also report back to the surgeon and the patient's regular veterinarian so everyone stays in the loop. It's been the law in Wisconsin since 2009 that pet owners should be counseled on every option of care that is available for their pet's problem, even if the veterinarian can't offer that care themselves and would need to refer the patient elsewhere. Even so, it is rare for clients to be informed about rehab unless they are seeing a surgical specialist. But every dog with arthritis or that has undergone surgery on a joint, bone, or muscle, or who has had a serious injury to joints, tendons, or ligaments is a candidate for therapy. If your veterinarian hasn't informed you about this option, you need to ask for a referral. The most common and useful piece of equipment for canine rehabilitation is the underwater treadmill, and sometimes we even use it for cats. It's like a regular walking treadmill put inside a fish tank. We walk the dog inside, close and latch the door, and then pump water in up to the desired level, usually about elbow or shoulder high. When we start up the treadmill, the dog will naturally start walking. The tank can also be used for swimming with small dogs. The water supports the dog's weight, taking stress off his joints. Walking in water is good exercise without damage to injured or healing tissue. The water is also warm. Like a warm bath or a hot tub, it relaxes muscles, increases blood flow to muscles and tissues, and reduces pain. For post-operative orthopedic patients, the treadmill provides a way to maintain muscle strength and cardiovascular health while they are unable to walk on dry ground. Dogs who are able to use the treadmill recover much more quickly after surgery. For spinal patients, the treadmill can be the difference between walking again or not being able to walk. Carefully placing the feet as the treadmill moves while the weight of the body is supported by the water can teach and stimulate dogs to walk. The treadmill is also great exercise for arthritic pets, especially those that are overweight. Weight loss and conditioning are other uses of the treadmill. The other piece of equipment we utilize frequently for rehab is a therapy laser. Unlike a surgery laser that is used for cutting tissue, the therapy laser provides gentle, healing light that penetrates far beneath the skin. It stimulates healing and tissue repair while decreasing swelling, inflammation, and pain. The machine we use is the same one as is used by the Brewers and the Bucks for treating athletic injuries. Anything that is painful, swollen, or inflamed would probably benefit from laser treatment. We use it for arthritis, wounds, inflammatory diseases and conditions, and injuries. It's safe, painless, and easy to do. Canine rehabilitation is an important advance in veterinary medicine. It allows us to help dogs return to normal function sooner and much more comfortably, even in the face of serious orthopedic and neurologic problems.